Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best smart doorbell is probably one of the most exciting innovations in home security and convenience, offering a glimpse into who's at your doorstep from anywhere in the world through your smartphone, and allowing you to communicate with visitors even when you're not home, transforming the way we interact with our homes and enhancing peace of mind. Number 5. SadoTech Wireless Doorbells. Introducing the SadoTech Wireless Doorbells, your ultimate solution for home security and convenience. This kit includes everything you need for a hassle-free setup. Setting up is a breeze with our portable doorbell. You can easily pair it and customize your experience with over 50 chime sounds and 4 volume settings, perfect for any situation. Experience unparalleled connectivity with our patented technology. The signal reaches up to 1,000 feet, making it ideal for large homes, offices, and warehouses without needing Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This doorbell is more than just a ringer, it's smart. It remembers your settings and features modern LED lights that illuminate for easy visibility, even at night. Designed for durability, it's weatherproof and operates reliably in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You can count on it in any condition. Its versatility makes it perfect for various settings, including apartments, businesses, and even classrooms. Use it indoors or outdoors for gates, fences, or mailboxes. What we like. This doorbell offers an impressive 1,000-foot range, ensuring you won't miss a visitor even in large properties. With 52 adjustable chime sounds and a helpful LED flash, it's perfect for those who want customization and visual alerts. If you have a large home or need a reliable alert system with plenty of sound options, this is a great choice. What people say. The doorbell has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the entryway. It offers customizable motion detection zones, allowing users to focus on specific areas. The two-way audio feature enables clear communication with visitors. Number 4. YING Wireless Doorbell. Setting up your new doorbell is a breeze. Simply plug in the receiver and mount the transmitter. It's designed to work seamlessly without interfering with other devices, ensuring you always know when someone's at the door. Don't let the elements stop you. This doorbell's transmitter is IP44 weatherproof and built to endure extreme temperatures, from freezing cold to scorching heat. It's a reliable choice for any outdoor environment. With an impressive 1,000-foot range, you'll hear the doorbell no matter where you are. Whether you're upstairs, in the garden, or busy in the kitchen, you'll always be alerted to visitors. Choose from 38 distinct melodies and adjust the volume to your preference. It also features flashing LED lights, making it easy for everyone, including those with hearing impairments, to notice when someone is calling. This doorbell is perfect for a wide range of settings, from homes and apartments to offices and warehouses. Its reliable performance makes it an ideal solution for any building. We stand by the quality of our product. This wireless doorbell comes with a 5-year warranty and dedicated customer support, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. Boasting a 1,000 feet operating range and 38 melodies, this doorbell is designed for durability with its IP44 weatherproof push button. It's a convenient and robust option for various environments. If you're looking for a reliable doorbell that can withstand outdoor elements and offers a good selection of sounds, this is a solid pick for homes and businesses alike. What people say. The doorbell has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the area. It offers customizable motion detection zones, allowing users to focus on specific areas. The two-way audio feature enables clear communication with visitors. Number 3. PHYSEN Wireless Doorbell Kit. Experience an impressive wireless range of over 1,300 feet in open spaces. This device boasts strong anti-interference capabilities, ensuring a reliable connection for your home, office, or classroom. Built with durable ABS material and IP55 waterproofing, it can withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is a breeze, simply plug in the receiver and attach the transmitter. Choose from 58 different chimes and 5 adjustable volume levels to suit any occasion. The LED flash is a great feature for the hearing impaired, and it remembers your last settings. This system is expandable, allowing you to add more receivers or transmitters as needed. You can even set different ringtones for various entry points, ensuring you never miss a visitor. This kit includes everything you need: 2 transmitters, 3 receivers, mounting accessories, and a battery. We also provide an 18-month warranty and dedicated customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This doorbell stands out with its exceptional 1,300-foot range and a vast library of 58 ringtones, plus a convenient mute mode. It's also expandable, allowing you to add more units as needed. If you need extended range, a wide variety of sound options, or a system that can grow with your needs, especially for larger properties or specific room alerts, this is an excellent solution. What people say. The doorbell has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the entryway. It offers customizable motion detection zones, allowing users to focus on specific areas. The two-way audio feature enables clear communication with visitors. Number 2. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell. Introducing the SadoTech Wireless Doorbell, your reliable solution for home security and convenience. This easy-to-install system offers peace of mind for any household. Setting up is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. It pairs instantly, allowing you to customize your chime and volume settings in seconds. Perfect for any situation, from quiet nap times to lively gatherings. Experience unparalleled freedom with our advanced wireless technology. It boasts an impressive 1,000-foot range, ensuring you never miss a visitor, no matter the size of your property. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth needed. This doorbell is more than just a ringer, it's smart. It remembers your preferences and features sleek LED lights that guide guests, even in the dark. It's built to withstand the elements, operating reliably in extreme temperatures. Its adaptability makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. Use it for your front door, back gate, or even in classrooms for organizational purposes. It's the perfect fit for homes, apartments, businesses, and more. What we like. With a 1,000-foot range and a weatherproof design, this doorbell is built for reliability in various conditions. It features a helpful LED flash for visual alerts and remembers your settings. If you prioritize a durable, long-range doorbell that's easy to set up and offers visual cues, this is a practical option for everyday use. What people say. The doorbell has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the entryway. Motion detection is highly customizable, allowing users to set specific zones and sensitivity levels. The two-way audio feature provides clear communication with visitors. Number 1. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell. Setting up this doorbell is incredibly easy. No tools or electrical knowledge needed, just simple and convenient installation that adds a stylish touch to your home's exterior. Tired of the same old ring? Choose from 17 music tones and 35 chimes to personalize your doorbell sound. You can even change it whenever you like. Its distinct sound makes it perfect for the hearing impaired. It can also serve as a classroom bell or a communication button within your home. Looking to enhance your home security? This system can be customized with add-ons like pet doorbells and extra receivers, offering more than just a doorbell function. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a new homeowner or renter? This wireless doorbell is a fantastic and practical addition to any new living space. What we like. This doorbell offers a 1,000-foot range and a unique feature set, including 17 music tones and the ability to function as a call button. It's also highlighted as a great housewarming gift. If you're looking for a doorbell that goes beyond basic alerts, offers musical options, and can serve multiple communication needs within a household, this is a thoughtful choice. What people say. The doorbell has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the porch. Motion detection is highly customizable, allowing users to set specific zones and sensitivity levels. The two-way audio feature is clear and allows for easy communication with visitors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.